From start to restart, we're proud to rethink the life of a product. Watch hashtag Samsung Galaxy and at BTS _ TWT. They can get at BTS.
Yeah, interesting.
Share a powerful message about protecting our planet. This was part of the Samsung Unpacked event. I had not seen it yesterday, but it was too much for me to miss because you know how it goes with BTS and Samsung. They've been working together for a while. And they probably were trying to figure out, okay, how are we going to utilize this endorsement deal this time around? Like everybody's talking about sustainability these days. So you got like a crumbling planet in a hand, and then you got your BTS guys, and they're all handling these cards with words on them, like powerful words. You see how they walk in here? He walks in. It's the ocean water is kind of being projected on him. And he's telling you about how terrible, like how we ruined everything, and the animals are suffering. And anyway, it's completely environmental, but they're also, you know, they have their usual kind of heart throbbiness going on as well. And then they also care about the environment, so it's more heart throbbiness.
Yeah.
Do you know how this works, Will? I'm trying to explain it to you here.
Yeah, I'm trying to take it all in. Like this, are they going to do another sing and dance?
No, this is serious. There's no song and dance here. This is a serious one. They can be serious too.
Oh.
You understand? It's like when Jim Carrey did Eternal Sunshine of a Spotless Mind.
Oh, right, yeah.
So sometimes you got to go serious, and BTS, they can do it all, man. Song, dance, but also serious is what they're doing here.
Okay.
So anyway, they're in like a warehouse, and it's kind of messy, but the camera keeps panning backwards, and they're talking about how you're going to recycle your devices, and the oceans are going to be sorted out, and the future is amazing because of Samsung and the Galaxy and the planet, and then the flowers show up, and I mean, we need a production staff like this, because you just look what happened. They just held up the cards, and then the flowers came together to make a flower globe.
Well, I'm convinced.
That's what I mean, if anyone can do it, BTS can do it as far as I'm concerned. But 1.1 million views on Samsung's Twitter account. So 150,000 likes. People love the BTS. They love the BTS. What can I say? They love the BTS.